Hello, hello, hello. I'm Jason Hopkins, and today I want to show you a system that I'm using. It's called the Power Lead system. I use this system to help build my primary business, and just wanted to show you um, some of the results that I got so far starting this Power Lead system. So I'm gonna go into my account. These are the commissions that I earned. Um, Go to my buyers list. I know it's not much, but it's a little something. I started this business in July, and I'm already seeing some results. Also, using the system, you can also create capture pages. You can create your own capture page. I'll show you that. With this system, you can create your own capture pages. These are the ones that I created for my primary business. Um, I'll show you all the leads that I generated using the Power Lead system. Um, I was able to break through using what's called solo ads, and these were my results. I have 745 people on my contact list. And I just started using this system June of 2017. And again, I'll go back to my account and show you my results. This is what I made this week. And go back to my buyers list and show you my buyers list. This is all from July 17th to September 7th. And like I said, I just started using this July of 2017. So if you're looking for a system, if you're looking for a list building system to build your primary business with, I highly recommend you use Power Lead system. Um, if you're interested in using this system, just either click the link above or below the video, and we'll get you started, right away. All right.